about common factors and common multiples. In the previous class we discussed about factors and multiples of a number. Like that, today we are going to study about common factors and common multiples. Common factors and common multiples. Okay, what do you mean by common factors? The factors which are the factors of each of the numbers are called common factors, and the multiples which are the multiples of each of the numbers are called common multiples. So, if you want to find the common factors of any two numbers, first we find the factors of each numbers, and then we try to find the common factors that comes in the both two numbers. Okay. So let us see an example. For example, we take 20 and 48. These are the two numbers we take, and we want to find the common factors of these two numbers. For that, we first find the factors of each the given numbers. That means first we find the factors of 20, then we find the factors of 48, and last we find the common factors that comes in both two numbers. Okay. So the first one is factors of 20. Factors of 20. First we find the factors of 20 are. Factors of 20 are. 20 is comes under the table of 1. 1. Then this comes under the table of 2. Is an even number, so comes in the table of 2. Then 20 is not coming under the table of 3. Then it's coming the table of 4. Then in the table of 5. Then 10 and 20. 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20 are the factors of 20. So because 20 is come under the table of 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. So we can say that these are the factors of 20. Okay, like that we write the factors of 48. So the next step is factors of 48 are 48 comes under the table of 1. Then it's an even number, so it comes under the table of 2. Then this comes under the table of 3. 1, 2, 3. Then in the table of 4, in the table of 6. Then it's also in the table of 8, 12. 8 and the table of 12, and in the table of 16. Then it's also under the table of 24. 24 and 48. So okay, 48 comes in the table of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. So we can say that these are the factors of 48. So factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Then factors of 48 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. So just look at the factors of these two numbers, which are the factors common in both numbers. Here one is common in 20 and 48. One is comes under the factors of 20 and 48. So one is a common factor of 20 and 48. And the next number, next factor 2. 2 is also common in both the numbers. So 2 is a common factor of 20 and 48. And here 3 is not a factor of 20. So 3 is not common factor. Then here is 4. 4 is also common. 4 is factor of 20 and also a factor of 48. So we can say that 4 is common. 4 is a common factor of 20 and 48. And the next factor is 5. 5 is a factor of 20, but it's not a factor of 48. So 5 is not a common factor of 20 and 48. Then the next number is 6. 6 is not a factor of 20. So it's not common factor. we can find the factors of a number. So let us see another example. The next question is 4 and 18. Want to find the common factors of 4 and 18. The given numbers are 4 and 18 and want to find the common factors of 4 and 18. For finding that, first we write the factors of 4, then write the factors of 18, then find the common factors of 4 and 18. So first we write the factors of 4. First one is factors of 4 are, so 4 is comes under the table of 1. 4 is comes under the table of 1. So 1 is a factor of 4. Then next 4 is comes under the table of 2. 2 2s are 4. Then 4 comes under the table of 4. So 1, 2, 4 are the factors of 4. Factors of 18. 18 comes under the table of 1. So 1 is a factor of 18. Then 18 is an even number, so it comes under the table of 2. So 2 is a factor of 18. Then 3. 18 is in the table of comes under the table of 3. So 3 is a factor of 18. Then it comes under the table of 6. 6 is a factor of 18. Then 18 is comes under the table of 9. 9 2s are 18. So 18 is comes under the table of 9. So 9 is also a factor of 18. Then 18 is comes under the table of 18. Okay. So these are the factors of 4 and 18. Factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. And the factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Okay. So we want to find the common factors of 4 and 18. Here 1 is a factor of 4 and 1 is also a factor of 18. So 1 is a common factor of 4 and 18. So common factors of 4 and 18 are, first one is 1. 1 is common. 1 is a common factor of 4 and 18 because 1 is a factor of 4 and also it's a factor of 18. So we can say that 1 is a common factor of 4 and 18. So we can write 1. Then next number is 2. 2 is a factor of 4 and 2 is also a factor of 18. So 2 is common. And we can say that 2 is a common factor of 4 and 18. So we can write 2. Then 3. 3 is a factor of 18 but it's not a factor of 4. So it is not common. Then 4. 4 is a factor of 4 but it's not a factor of 18. So it's not a common factor of 4 and 15. So we can say that the common factors of 4 and 18 are 1 and 2. 1 and 2 are the common factors of 4 and 18. Okay. So let us see another example. A question 7 and 16. 7 and 16. So first factors of 7 are 1 and 7. 7 is a prime number because 7 has only 2 factors, that is 1 and the number itself. And number 16. Number 16 has the factors 1. Then 16 is comes under the table of 2, 4, then 9 and 16. So the factors of 7 are 1 and 7 and the factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 9 and 16. And the common factors are of 7 and 16 are here 1. 1 is a factor of 7. co-primes. Two numbers having only one as its common factor, then the numbers are called co-prime. So we can say that 7 and 16 are co-prime numbers. 7 and 16 are co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers, because these two numbers are only one as their common factor. One is the only common factor of 7 and 16. So we can say that these numbers are co-prime numbers. The numbers having only one as their common factor, then we can say that numbers are co-prime numbers. Okay. So see another example. 7, 15, sorry, 4 and 15. Okay. Here, first we find the factors of 4. Factors of 4. Factors of 4 are 4 is compared to the table of 1, then under the table of 2, then the table of 4. So 1, 2 and 4 are the factors of 4. Then the factors of 15. 15 comes at the table of 1, and in the table of 3, the table of 5 and 15. So these are the factors of 15. So it is the common factors in 4 and 5. So 1 is a common factor of 4 and 5. Now other common factors in 4 and 5. So we can say that the common factor of 4 and 15 is only 1. So we can say that these two numbers is also co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers, because these two numbers are only 1 as their common factor. So we can say that these numbers are co-prime numbers. Okay. So another example, find what are the common multiples. Now we can find the common factors. Then now we can start to find the common multiples of numbers. Okay. So like the common factors, we can find the common multiples of a given numbers. For that, we first find the multiples of the given numbers separately. Then we find the common multiples from the both numbers. Okay. So let us see an example. Common multiples. Find the common multiples of 4 and 6. 4 and 6. So for finding the common multiples of 4 and 6, first we write the multiples of 4 and then write the multiples of 6. Then we find the common multiples of 4 and 6, like finding the common factors of any two numbers. Okay. For that, we first write the common factors of the given number. Then we find the common factors from that. Like that, to find the common multiples of given numbers. First, we write the multiples of given numbers. Then we find the common multiples. Okay. So here given numbers are 4 and 5. So first we write the multiples of 4, then write the multiples of 6. So first one is multiples of 4. Multiples of 4 are, which means we multiply the numbers by 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Okay. So the multiples of 4 are 1 fours are 4, 2 fours are 8, 3 fours are 12, 4 fours are 16, 5 fours are 20, 6 fours are 24, etc. Okay. Then find the common multiples of 6. multiples of 4 and 6. Next, we find the common multiples from these. So here 4 is a multiple of 4, but it's not a multiple of 6. So next is common multiples of 4 and 5. Common multiples of 4 and 6 are here. 4 is a multiple of 4, but 4 is not a multiple of 6. Okay, the multiples of 6 start from 6. So it's not a common multiple. And here 8, but 8 is not a multiple of 6. And here 12. 12 is a multiple of 4, and 12 is also a multiple of 6. 12 is a multiple of 4, and 12 is also a multiple of 6. So you can say that 12 is the common multiple of 4 and 6. So 12. Then next 16. 16 is a multiple of 4, but 16 is not a multiple of 6. And here 18 is a multiple of 6, but 18 is not a multiple of 4. So it's not a common factor. Then next is 20. 20 is a multiple of 4, but it's not a multiple of 6. And next one is 24. 24 is a multiple of 4, and 24 is also a multiple of 6. So it is common. 24 is a common multiple of 4 and 6. And 30 is not a common multiple, and 36 is a common multiple. We can write further numbers, and we can find that 36 is also a common multiple of 4 and 6. Okay. So 12, 24 and 36 are the common multiples of 4 and 6 that we can find. Okay. So the common multiples are 12, 24 and 36. So let us do another example. Find the common multiples of common multiples of 3, 5 and 6. 3, 5 and 6. So here 3 numbers are given, and we want to find the common multiples of these 3 numbers. Okay, for that first we write the multiples of each numbers. First we write the multiples of 3, then write the multiples of 5, then we write the multiples of 6. Then we find the common multiples of 3, 5 and 6. Okay, so first write the multiples of, first number is 3. So multiples of 3. Multiples of 3 are 1 3 is 3. Then 2 3s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 4 3s are 12. 15. Etc. These are the multiples of 3. Then write the multiples of 5. Multiples of 5. Okay. So multiples of 5 are 1 5 is 5. Then next 2 5s are 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, etc. And next number is 6. So So it's not a common multiple of 3, 5 and 6. And the next number is multiple is 9. 9 is a multiple of 3, but it's not a multiple of 5 and 6. And here 12. 12 is a multiple of 3 and also a multiple of 6, but it's not a multiple of 5. So it's not a common multiple. Then 15. 15 is a multiple of 3 and 15 is also a multiple of 5, but it's not a multiple of 6. So 15 is also not a multiple of, not a common multiple of 3, 5 and 6. And the next number is 18. 18 is a multiple of 3 and 18 is also a multiple of 6, but it's not a multiple of 5. And here 21. 21 is not a multiple of 5 and 6, and 24 is not a multiple of 5. And here 27. 27 is a multiple of 3, but 27 is not a multiple of 5 and 6. And here 30. 30 is a multiple of 3, and here 30 is also a multiple of 5, and 30 is also a multiple of 6. 30 is a multiple of 3, 5 and 6. So 30 is a common multiple of 3, 5 and 6. 30 is a multiple of 3, and here 30 is a multiple of 5, and also 30 is a multiple of 6. So we can say that 30 is a common multiple of 3, 5 and 6. 3, 5 and 6. Common multiple of 3, 5 and 6 are, here we find 30 and we write more multiples. We can find that 60 is also a multiples of 3. Common multiple of 3. Okay. 30 and 60 are the common multiples of 3, 5 and 6. Like that we find the common multiples of any 2 or 3 or more numbers. Okay. So today we are studying about co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers means a number having one only as their factors, common factors. Then we can say that number is co-prime numbers. And next we move to a exercise portion. Exercise 3.4. Your page number 59. Page number 59. Exercise 3.4. Here is some questions about common factors and common multiples and also about co-prime numbers. Let us do that. Okay. So, exercise 3.4. First part. And the first question, take a textbook, page number 59 and look at the question and read the question carefully. Okay. So, the first question is, find the common factors of. So, in that question, we want to find the common factors of the following given numbers. Okay. And the question number A, find the common factors question. To find the common factors. And first question, 20 and 28. Okay. And we already studied to find the common factors of given numbers. And here the given numbers are 20 and 28. We want to find the common factors of 20 and 28. For that, we first find the factors of 20, then factors of 28, then find the common factors. Okay. So, answer. First, we write the factors of 20. Factors of 20. Factors of 20 are 20. This comes on the table of 1, then 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. So, these are the factors of 20. And the next one is factors of 28. Factors of 28. 28. 14 and 28. So 28 is comes under the table of 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. 14 into 2 we get 28. So 28 is comes under the table of 14. Okay. And these are the factors of 20 and 28. And the common factors are what is the common factors of 20 and 28? Just look at the number factors. Here one is a factor of 20 and one is also a factor of 28. So what is the common factor of 20 and 28? 1. Then next one is 2. 2 is common because 2 is a factor of 20 and also a factor of 28. 2 is a common factor of 20 and 28. And the next one is 4. 4 is a common factor. 4 is a factor of 20 and 4 is also a common factor of, a factor of 28. So 4 is a common factor of 20 and 28. And 5 is a factor of 20 but 5 is not a factor of 28. 7 is a factor of 28 but 7 is not a factor of 20. And 10 is a factor of 20 but 10 is not a factor of 28. And here 14 is a factor of 28 but it's not a factor of 20. And 20 is a factor of 20 but 20 is not a factor of 28. So these factors are not common. So 1, 2 and 4 are the common factors of 20 and 28. So the answer are 1, 2 and 4. 1, 2 and 4 are the common factors of 20 and 28. Next question. B 3500. So 15 and 25. 15 and 25. So find the common factors of these two numbers. First we write the factors of 15, then factors of 25, then find the common factors. Okay, so first one is factors of 15. Factors of 15 are 15 is comes under the table of 1, then it's not comes under the table of 2, then 3. 5 3s are 15 and the table of 5, then in the table of 15. Okay, so 1, 3, 5 and 15 are the factors of 15. And next one is 25. Factors of 25. Factors of 25 are 25 is comes under the table. One is a factor of any number. So 1 is a factor of 25 because 25 is comes under the table of 1. Then it comes under the table of not coming to the table of 2. Then 5. Then 25. So 1, 5 and 25 are the factors of 25. So which are the common factors of 15 and 25? Let's look at the numbers, factors and find that. Here 1 is a factor of 15 and also a factor of 25. So 1 is common. And here 3 is a factor of 15 but 3 is not a factor of 25. So 3 is not a common factor. Then here 5 is a factor of 15 and 5 is also a factor of 25. And here 15, here not 15. So, okay, so 1 and 5 are the common factors of 15 and 25. So the common factors are 1 and 5. 1 and 5. 1 and 5 are the common factors of 15 and 25. Like this, you can do the section C and D, and that's your homework. Do your homework and send to my WhatsApp. Okay. And the next question, let us move to the next part. Second part. Find the common factors of the same question. But here 3 numbers are given. the factors of 4, then write the factors of 8, then write the factors of 12. First, write the factors of 4. So, 4 is comes under the table of 1, then it is comes under the table of 2, and not in the table of 3, and it's also in the table of 4. So 1, 2, 4 are the factors of 4. Then find the factors of next number is 8. Factors of 8. Okay. So 8 is comes under the table of 1. Then it is an even number. So it comes under the table of 2. Then it is not in the table of 3. Then the table of 4. Then next in the table of 8. Okay. So the next one is factors of 12. So 12 comes under the table of 1 and it's an even number, so comes under the table of 2, and in the table of 3, 12 is come. There is 4 3s are 12. So comes in the table of 3 and also in the table of 4 and not in the table of 5, and in the table of 6, 2 6 are 12, and not in the table of 7, 8, 9, 10. Then comes in the table of 12. So these are the factors of 12. 1, 2, 4 are the factors of 4. 1, 2, 4, 8 are the factors of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 are the factors of 12. From these three factors of these three numbers, we find the common factors. Okay. So here 1 is a factor of 4 and 1 is also a factor of 8 and also 1 is a factor of 12. So 1 is common in both, common in these three numbers. So 1 is a common factor. So the common factors are 1. Then 2. 2 is a factor of 4. 2 is a factor of 8. And 2 is also a factor of 12. So 2 is common. 2. Then 3. 3 is a factor of 12, but 3 is not a factor of 8 and 4. So 3 is not a common factor. And here 4. 4 is a factor of 4 and 4 is a factor of 8 and 4 is also a factor of 12. So we can say that 4 is common factor and 4. Okay. So 8 is not a common factor. 6 and 12 is also not a common factor. So common factors of 4, 8 and 12 are 1, 2 and 4. Common factors of 4, 8 and 12 are 1, 2 and 4. And the question B, that's your homework. Okay, like this you can do your homework in your class book and send to my WhatsApp. And just we move to the next part, that is question number 3. Here the question is, find the first 3 common multiples of following numbers. Okay, find the first 3 common multiples. 3 common multiples. Okay. And the first question is 6 and 8. It's very simple. So, finding the common multiples, first we write the multiples of 6, then we write the multiples of 8, then find the common multiples from the multiples of 6 and 8. Okay. For that, first we write the multiples of 6. Multiples of 6 are, what are the multiples of 6? 1 6 is 6, 2 6 are 12, then multiples of 8. Multiples of 8 are, write the table of 8. 1 8 is 8, 2 8s are 16. Etc. Okay. So from these two multiples of 6 and 8, we want comes at 8. Okay. And the common multiples of 6 and 8 are, let us see. 6 is a multiple of 6 but it's not a multiple of 8. Okay. And 12 is a multiple of 6 but it's not a multiple of 18. And here 18 is a multiple of 6 but 18 is not a multiple of 8. And here 24 is a multiple of 6 and 24 is also a multiple of 8. And 24 is a common multiple. Okay, so the first common multiple of 6 and 8 are 24. And the next one is 30. 30 is a multiple of 6 but it's not a multiple of 8. Then 36 is a multiple of 6 but it's not a multiple of 8. And further numbers are next one is 60. Then 8, 16. Here the next number is 42. So 42 is a factor of 6 but it's not a factor of 8. And the next one is 48. 48 is a factor of 6 and it's also a factor of 8. And here 48 is a common, not factor, multiples. Okay. So 48 is a multiple of 6 and 48 is also a multiple of 8. So 48 is a common multiple of 6 and 8. And the next one is 54. 54 is a multiple of 6 but it's not a multiple of 8. And here 64. Then 72. 72 is a multiple of 6 and 72 is also a multiple of 8. And 72 is a common multiple of 6 and 8. Okay, so these are the common multiples of 6 and 8. 24, 48 and 72. Like this, you should write the common multiples of 12 and 18 as your homework. Okay. And next question number 4. Write all the numbers less than 100 which are common multiples of 3 and 4. So, in that question we want to find the common multiples of 3 and 4 which is less than 100. For that, first we write the multiples of 3 and 4. So, you can write the multiples of 3 less than 100. Multiples of 3 like 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15, 18, 21, etc. Like this, you can write the multiples less than 100. Then you write the multiples of 4 less than 100. Like 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8. Like this, you should write multiples of 4 less than 100. Then find the common multiples from this. Okay, here the common multiples are 3, 6 is not a common multiple, 12. 12 is a common multiple because 12 comes in the multiples of 3 and 4. And next one is 24. 24 is a common multiple. Like that, you can find the common multiples of these three numbers less Okay, let us try. First one is question number A, 18 and 35. So we want to find is these given numbers are co-prime or not. For that, first we write the factors of these two numbers and then we find the common factors. If one is the only common factors of the given numbers, then we can say that these numbers are co-prime numbers. Okay. For that, first we write the factors of these two numbers. And the first number is 18 and factors of 18. So factors of 18 are 18 is comes under the table of 1. Then the table of 2. 18 is an even number, so it's under the table of 2. Then it's the table of 3. 6 3s are 18 and it's not the table of 4, 5, 6. Then 9, 8. Okay, these are the factors of 18. And factors of 35 are 1. 35 is comes up the table of 1. Then it's a multiple of 5 and it comes under the table of 5, 7 and 35. 1, 5, 7 and 35. So here 1 is the only common factor. Look this. 1 is a common factor, 2 is not a common factor, and 3 is not a common factor because 3 is a factor of 18 but it's not a factor of 35, and 6 is not a common factor, 9 is not a common factor, 18 is not a common factor. And here 1 is a common factor, 5 is not a common factor, 7 is not a common factor because 7 is only the factor of 35 but it's not a factor of 18 and 30. Here 1 is the only common factor of 18 and 35. Then we can say that 18 and 35 are co-prime numbers because these two numbers have only one of their common factors. So these given numbers are co-prime numbers. Here one is the only common factor, one is the only common factor. So these numbers are co-prime numbers. 18 and 35 are co-prime numbers because they have one of their only common factor. Then we can say that these given numbers are co-prime numbers. Like this, we can find that if the given numbers are co-prime or not. Okay. The question number B, 15 and 37. So, want to find that 15 and 37 are co-prime numbers or not. Okay. For that, first we find the factors of 15, then factors of 37, then find the common factors. If the common fact one is the only common factor, then we can say that these numbers are co-prime numbers. Okay. So, let us see. First we write the factors of 15 and the 15 is comes under the table of 1, then 3, 5 and 50 and the next number is 37. Factors of 37, 1 and 37. 37 is a prime number because 37 has only two factors, 1 and the number itself. So we can say that 37 is a prime number. Okay. Here we can see that 1 is the only common factor. Okay. 37 is not a common factor. 3, 5 and 15 is also not a common factor. So 15 and 25, sorry 37, 1 is the only common factor. Then we can say that 15 and 37 are co-prime numbers. And 37 are co-prime numbers because these two numbers 1 as their common factor. Okay. So like this we can do the remaining questions that given in your textbook, page number 59, exercise 3 point as your homework. And you should do your homework in your class book and send to my WhatsApp. Okay. So the next portion we will discuss in our next class. Today we are just wind up our class. Okay, thank you.